Pretty Birdies, happy National Lash Day. Today, we thought we would take the opportunity to talk about your lashes, or like we like to call them, your feathers. We're going to take a little bit of a deep dive into the world of mascara and what goes into product development. Since it's one of your most important parts of your beauty routine, let's take a look. The three most important things that make all mascaras perform differently are the brush, the wiper, and the formula. These three things are what companies play with to give you different lash looks. For example, if you keep the brush and the formula the same, but only change the wiper, you're going to get a different lash look. With our Faux Reals Extreme Volume Mascara, our goal was to give you an extreme false lash effect. With our hourglass brush and densely packed bristles, you're able to reach and comb through every single one of your lashes. We have a specially designed wiper just for this brush to ensure that you get the right amount of product every time. For our formula, there's a lot that goes into it. We have acacia, which gives you that rich, creamy texture, and synthetic beeswax, which gives you that extreme volume. Our formula is as clean as you can get, while keeping our intense black formula, performance, and that incredible false lash effect. If you guys like the deep dive into the behind the scenes of product development and want to learn more about some of our other products, let us know. See you next time, Pretty Birdies.